Host portfolio includes a handful of Ritz-Carltons, Four Seasons, and one hotel properties. For more, we're joined by Host Hotel CEO James Risoleo. Jim, any shifts notably that you're seeing in international travel with the currency things happening, or is the luxury consumer still raring to go?
Hi, John. Thanks for having me. Good to be with you again. The affluent consumer is still raring to go. We have seen no slowdown whatsoever. Our assets are performing extremely well. We couldn't be happier with our second quarter results and our ability to not only beat but raise our full-year guide and our EBITDA by $60 million to a new midpoint of $1.705 billion. And it's really being driven by the money that we've invested in our assets, $1.7 billion over the last 6 years in ROI, CapEx, and the capital allocation decisions we made over the last 8 years, where we are really geared toward the affluent customer. The affluent customer is doing quite well, and when they show up at our properties, we're getting no rate resistance to some of the assets that you mentioned early on, and the out-of-room spend keeps going up. So we had a very strong increase in food and beverage revenues in the quarter of 4% as well, driven by outlet growth, really strong growth in our outlets.
So does that tend historically to reflect the rise in the stock market? I mean, I imagine a lot of your luxury consumers do have quite a bit of their wealth in stocks. They're getting a decent rate on their more conservative investments, a fixed income as well, I imagine. So they're maybe feeling a little flush, no?
I think they're very well positioned when they look at their balance sheet today. But interestingly, John, luxury RevPAR has consistently outperformed the other hotel segments over long periods of time. Luxury RevPAR in the quarter was up 5.9% on a compound annual growth basis. And then if you go all the way down to the bottom of the chain scale, economy RevPAR lost ground to the tune of about 5% in the quarter. So luxury has been outperforming for quite a while. Yes, the consumer is looking at their balance sheet based on how their stock portfolio is going, but there's a lot of wealth that's been created in housing as well.